Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May the 13th, 2022. I'm going to talk about Algorand and try to give you all an understanding as to why the price still went down in Algorand, even though they announced that they were going to be a partner with FIFA next year. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. Yes, that's right. I do price predictions. I come through, focus in on the price chart to see what the price is trying to do. And I make sure that I put on a price prediction to make sure that you and I are both in position to win, to profit. So if you guys appreciate my videos and my content, go ahead, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. Also, I would recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because whenever I produce my videos, I want to make sure that you all be one of the first ones to get the heads up as to where I'm looking at price going. All right, so check this out. This article right here, right, came from CoinDesk, and the title reads, Algorand scores FIFA partnership, ALGO price surges. I want to try to give y'all an example as to why we don't need to come through and focus in on news, because news does not dictate where price is going to go. Right now, you might think that's asinine. You might think that's kind of crazy to say, but a lot of people, when you look at a collective market, everyone has their own perception as to what they value. Right. So you look at this title from CoinDesk and it asks you, it has the title, Algorand scores a FIFA partnership, ALGO price surges. Now, automatically, that title is geared to be positive. It's geared to give you the perception that price should be going massively higher, or at least to some people. And some individual would have bought on that news. They would have bought on reading this title saying that that's a great thing, that Algorand was able to partner with a massive soccer conference. That was posted on May the 3rd, right here. Okay, May the 3rd, 2022. So when we transition over to the price chart, we should be able to tell if the market overall believed this partnership with FIFA. If they really enjoyed that information, then price would have inevitably agreed with it. So let's go ahead and look at May the 3rd. So right here, this is May the 3rd right here. Okay, right there. So the news from CoinDesk right here broke on May the 3rd. Now they try to give us an idea that price kind of went up. Well, when you look at the chart, it did not go up far. Like, we was trading already around 68, 70 cents on May the 3rd. We topped out around 80 cents. And that was it. And the price, look at it now, completely fell. So this information could not keep price elevated in Algorand. If anything, it gave those who wanted to sell Algorand, it gave them an opportunity to sell at higher prices, because this led people into thinking that this is going to be a positive thing that should bring price a lot higher. And now here we are trading around 47 cents. This is just an example as to why I don't come through and try to push these articles on my community, because nobody understands how do you quantify it? What is the value of that information, right? Is it worth a nickel? Is it worth 10 cents? Is it worth 15 cents? Is it worth 20 cents? Because you guys can see when the news broke, the market went from 65 cents to 80. Okay, 15 cents. Is that all that news was worth? Or was there some other things that also was involved? See, that's what I'm saying. You begin to go deeper and deeper into the hole, and you end up confusing yourself and making it more complicated and complex than what it has to be. You just need to focus in on the price chart. All right. Because you guys can see I did a video right here on April the 18th, looking for the price in Algorand to go down. And that is exactly what happened. 29.43%. All right. Done. Over. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. Now I'm going to start out by zooming out on the price chart, right? Because I want to show you all that the price in Algorand has broken this trend. This long-term trend line is now broken, right? We started this trend back in March of 2020 to where Algorand went on this massive movement higher. Like, since March of 2020, we've seen price go from 10 cents all the way up here at the high on November 18, 2021, 2,778%. 2,778%. That's a very, very bullish market right there. Sad to say, that trend is now broken. So we cannot be bullish into the market in Algorand right now. We should not be, because the market has already determined that it could not support price on the trend. So I'm not bullish into the market in Algorand right now. So what we need to do, we need to try to figure out, okay, cool. If the market is not bullish, is it bearish? If the market is not bearish, will it just trade sideways? We need to try to figure these things out. So let's go ahead and look at this in Algorand, because I'm looking at this on the 5-day chart, and you guys can actually tell that we're almost headed towards a pretty good area of support, which I will say is around 40 cents. You guys can tell that Algorand already has came and touched that line right here, 40 cents. Okay, so hopefully we may be able to begin to see the market in Algorand just trade sideways at best. I'm not looking at the market to continue to trend higher. The market has confirmed that the weakness is still dominating this market right now. So if anything, we can just see the market in Algorand consolidate. Okay. Algorand on the 2 weeks. Here's Algorand on the monthly time frame. So I'm not massively bullish. I'm not massively bearish. I'm not really seeing anything really going on into the market in Algorand as of this particular moment. Might just try to take off a price prediction. Don't do one because I really don't see a play here, you know, that would give us a substantial amount of movement to the upside or to the downside. I really don't see that right now. So let me go ahead and do this. Because I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market in Algorand try to go up here to like 55 cents. Okay. Okay, so I think the market is actually trying to tell us that don't really look for too much. I think on a smaller time frame, hourly basis, we could actually see the market in Algorand try to go up in price. 55 cents, you know, 60 cents would be a likely area that we could see the market in Algorand try to hit. But I'm not really too bullish. I'm not really too bearish into this coin right now. I'm not really expecting a lot to come through. All right, so let me go ahead and show you all that. Okay, so now seeing that we are around the support area of 40 cents, we need to make sure that we continue to get some buying come in to confirm that buyers are actually there trying to hold that price. Okay, they need to show us continually that they're willing to buy Algorand at 40 cents. Right now, we may be in the beginning stages. So I'm not going to try to come through and act like the price is ready to go up massively, but I'm looking at it. Okay, if I see the price come back down in Algorand around 40 cents and I still see buyers coming through, then yeah, it becomes a buy. But as of right now, we're just starting out. So I'm not going to drop a price prediction into the market in Algorand right now. But the prediction will be for us, I mean, from the current environment would be just expect some stability. I think we've already seen the market in Algorand fall substantially for a while. We've been in the downtrend for a long term. The volume has been on the increase. So I'm looking at this as a basis to where buyers are trying to come through into the market in Algorand now. They're seeing this price as relatively cheap. The volume is substantiating that. The only thing I want to see now is for us to hold this 40-cent price. If we do, then I definitely know that the market is buying. So I'm not going to drop a actual price prediction on the chart, but verbally, I'm looking at the market to become more stable here in Algorand. The initial stage of all this volume kind of confirms that the market may actually be in that process of buying up Algorand now. But I need a little bit more information from the charts perspective to actually get that confirmation, and I don't see it yet. So once I get more information of buyers coming into this area, then I'll definitely know, come back in, do a price prediction, and expect the market in Algorand to continue to move higher in price. Now again, that moving higher price, let's not get it twisted. I'm not looking for the price to hit $3 like it did back in 2021, but rather maybe around 55 all the way up here to this descendant line, okay, to 68 cents. So let's chill out. Let's just go ahead and let the market continue to do its thing. And once we get a little bit more information, then we'll be able to get, a better idea as to what price movement is going to go, high or low. So make sure you all maintain a profitability. Hey, if you guys have your own price target, then go ahead and drop it in the comment section and let everyone know. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.